Point number 1. Beginner's Guide to Real Estate Investing. Discuss the basics of real estate investment, types of properties, and essential terms. Include tips for beginners on how to get started. Point number 2. Top 5 strategies for investing in rental properties. Explore different strategies like buy and hold, fix and rent, short-term rentals, etc. Share the pros and cons of each strategy. Point number 3. How to analyze a real estate deal. Teach viewers how to evaluate a potential investment property. Include metrics like cap rate, cash flow, ROI, and how to calculate them. Point number 4. Real estate market trends in 2024. Provide an overview of the current real estate market. Discuss trends, hot markets, and predictions for the future. Point number 5. Financing options for real estate investments. Cover various financing methods like traditional mortgages, private lending, hard money loans, and seller financing. Explain the benefits and risks of each option. Point number 6. Tax benefits of real estate investing. Highlight the tax advantages of owning real estate, such as depreciation, 1031 exchanges, and mortgage interest deductions. Provide examples and scenarios. Point number 7. House flipping, from purchase to profit. Walk through the process of buying, renovating, and selling a property. Include tips for finding deals, budgeting, and managing renovations. Point number 8. Investing in commercial real estate. Explain the differences between residential and commercial real estate investments. Discuss the types of commercial properties and how to invest in them. Point number 9. Real estate investment trusts or REITs, explained. Educate viewers on what REITs are and how they work. Discuss the benefits of investing in REITs compared to direct property ownership. Point number 10. Building a real estate portfolio. Share strategies for diversifying and growing a real estate investment portfolio. Include tips for balancing risk and maximizing returns. We appreciate you watching. If you loved what you saw, subscribe and let us know what you'd like to see next in the comments below.